Hey guys, welcome to day 6 of opening up 2 packs of One Piece TCG until we hit a manga rare. Alright, got my wife back on the camera opening up 2 packs for me today. We're going to see if we get anything good. As you can see, we are opening up OP12. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but the box is getting low. This should be day 6, so that means 12 packs have been opened. Starting off with the Bello Betty, Shanks, Pacifista, Event Barati, another event card, a Roronoa Zoro, a Bastille, Seto, Mizurka, a Leader Zoro card, another gold foil event, and a Sakazuki rare. Not too bad. Haven't hit all the SRs. There should be another hit in this box somewhere, so we should be getting close. Second pack, Baby 5, Buggy, Kinemon, Django, Buffalo, Color of Arms hockey event card, Duval, Jaguar D Sol, Zoro, Conqueror, and Jinbei. Ooh, and a nice SR Monkey D Luffy. Not bad for day 6. Good job, love. Alright guys, stay tuned for day 7 as we get down to the end of this box.